It's Friday. I've tried to fix my drone twice. I'm going to take it apart again today with a little more time and see if I can make it go worky. Pancakes. Sunday evening. I think the only thing I've done interesting this week is make pancakes. I don't think that was that interesting. The drone was mostly broken for most of the week. I think it's better. Just flew it for about 20 minutes and it seems to have worked. I also brought another camera out. I was going to shoot a time lapse, but I don't have a SD card in that camera, so that failed. It was sunny, but colder than I thought, so I can't feel my fingers. That's really exciting. Hey there, it's currently Monday morning. This video isn't live yet, but that's okay. I have 3 quick things to talk about. Number 1, I think I get a haircut. Number 2, I own this sweatshirt because when I was in the Navy I wanted a sweatshirt that said Washington on it, and I didn't want a big purple sweatshirt, so I decided to be a Cougars fan. I know that their sports teams are no good, and I'm okay with that. I've never been enrolled at WSU, though I did take some of my tests for a class at Clark at the WSU Vancouver campus, so I'm pretty much a Cougar in that regards. Also, it's probably time for a new sweatshirt. Got a little hole in that one. And number 3, are you ready for number 3? I forgot what number 3 was. I'm sure it was really important. Oh, I learned this morning that it's spring break for me. Taking classes online, my classes are each a month. I just assumed they went back to back to back to back. I logged in this morning and I couldn't find my class, so I'm like, I gotta take my last class, and my stuff's not anywhere. And then I found a page, I looked at the dates, and my class starts next Monday. So no learning for me this week, I guess. And that's all I have. Hope you guys have a great week. Thanks for checking out the video. Feel free to like it, subscribe, share it with your friends.